Training to stimulate the creative functions of the brain. This is so important for innovation, problem detection, and problem solution. Most innovation and problem solving occurs using the creative functions of the brain, not necessarily the logical functions, but the creative functions of the brain. Being stuck is usually a function of old thought patterns or circuitry in the brain that represents these old thought patterns being fired. When these old circuits are suppressed, it gives a chance for new circuits to be fired, which gives a chance for more insights and thus more creativity. However, if the prefrontal cortex is overloaded with projects or tasks, this gives less chance for the prefrontal cortex to break or stop these old circuits from firing. Some solutions are, for example, stepping away from work, taking a shower, taking some exercise, going on a vacation. All of this gives a chance for other circuits to fire, increasing the chance of insights. You can be trained with proper scheduling and planning habits to increase the amount of downtime you have, which in turn decreases the stress on your prefrontal cortex and increases the ability to break old thought patterns or circuits, which then creates more insights and more creativity. With this also comes an increase in your ability to learn, grow, and innovate, as well as an increase in your inner confidence, a reduction in stress, an increase in your results, an increase in spontaneity, and in your health. Training in emotional regulation. Moods and emotions are a natural part of being human. They can also distract. Using a technique I'll call relanguaging, you're able to mitigate these emotional reactions. One way to do relanguaging is to name the emotional response. For example, to name the fear. Laboratory science has shown that by naming the fear, we can actually reduce the fear response and the response of the limbic system. There are many ways to do relanguaging. And these are all standard practices available in most, if not all, coaching programs to help you emotionally regulate. However, they require lots of energy and brain resources. We can free up these resources by using all the techniques and more techniques that I haven't mentioned in this video in a concerted, organized, and consistent program of daily training. What training in emotional regulation provides for is a reduction in stress, an increase in peace of mind and security, as well as an increase in your experience of freedom, experience of choice. Emotional regulation also leads to increased health and an increase in your inner confidence, leading to enhanced leadership skills, which can guide your high-focused team. Emotional regulation also helps you to be more present, resulting in effective and fulfilling relationships with others. It also increases your ability to learn, grow, and innovate, as well as increase your spontaneity. Training in breaking down complex projects into simplicity. Most people are stopped by having too many tasks, or too large tasks, or both. When the brain is confronted by projects that are too big, or too many projects, the limbic system part of the brain does what's called an avoiding reaction. By chunking down these larger projects into smaller, more manageable components that can be spread out over time, we can reduce the limbic system's response of the brain. By training you to break down complex projects into simplicity, we can certainly increase the results and your health, as well as increase your inner confidence and your capacity to have more spontaneity in your life, increasing the ability to learn, grow, and innovate, as well as being more present. Training in breaking down these complex projects into simplicity also helps you in your ability to delegate tasks to your high-focus team. The most important thing and benefit that I've seen is in increasing your peace of mind, security, and reducing your stress. Training in awareness, attention, and focus. Awareness is the first key to long-lasting change. The brain is remarkably plastic. Under the right conditions, you can almost ongoingly create new connections in the brain and new circuits, leading to more innovation, growth, and learning. By training you to be in consistent focus in an appropriate manner, we have two things that occur in the brain. The first is that there's a rewiring, creating just the right number of new connections for the new habits, practices, and innovation. Secondly, you'll have critical areas of the brain fire together. There is a law in brain science referred to as Hebb's law, which says that brain cells that fire together work together. This training must be done in a safe, accepting environment. And secondly, must be done consistently and in just the right way. This training in awareness, attention, and focus leads to an increase in your leadership skills, enabling you to better guide and train your high-focus teams. It also enables you to reduce stress, increasing your peace of mind and sense of security. Also enables you to have better clarity and direction and increases your results. Also increases your freedom or experience of choice, leading to more effective and fulfilling relationships. This also leads to better health and inner confidence and being more present, aware, and alert, as well as increasing your spontaneity and thus your ability to learn, grow, and innovate. What can you do to move forward? It is vital to be clear that all these methods to achieve happiness and more success must be done in the following manner. A. In conjunction with each other. B. Consistently. C. In an organized and balanced fashion. Every client that I've had required a level of customization based on her or his needs and goals and challenges. I'd like to invite you to take advantage of a special high-focus strategic coaching session with me, where you and I will work together to A. Create a crystal clear vision for your ultimate business success and the perfect lifestyle you'd like your business to provide. B. Uncover hidden challenges that may be sabotaging the growth of your business and keeping you working too many hours. C. You will leave this session renewed, re-energized, and inspired to turn your business into a highly profitable, revenue-generating machine. If you'd like to take advantage of this very special, very limited, and totally free 30-minute session, please fill out the form below this video or go to highfocussession.com. I look forward to meeting with you.